Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're back in Las Vegas, downtown Las Vegas at the Fremont Experience. We're gonna check out the Plaza Hotel and Casino. The Plaza Hotel and Casino is at the northern end of Fremont Street. As a matter of fact, if you take Fremont Street and head north, when you get to the end, the plaza's right in front of you. And it's directly across the street from two Derek Stevens Hotel and Casinos, the Circa, the brand new Circa, as well as the Golden Gate, one of the oldest hotels and casinos in town. The Plaza is one of those hotels and casinos in Las Vegas that has a very loyal, if not cult-like, following. Of course, these people are going to head out once in a while, but in reality, they just love to sleep, eat, and gamble at the Plaza. This is a lot of light bulbs. We must be in Vegas. We'll check out the bingo room while we're here at the Plaza too. They take it very seriously here. Hey, let's head inside. One of several, if not many, hash house a-go-go's here in Las Vegas. For some reason, I've never eaten at any of them, and I've heard many good things about them, so my next visit, which is coming up shortly, I am definitely going to do a hash house a-go-go video. Not sure which one I'm going to visit, but I will visit one in this town on my next visit. And speaking of my next visit to Vegas, it's going to be the beginning of June, just a few weeks away. I'll be staying at the Venetian, and I'd really appreciate it if you guys left some comments below on what you'd like to see me see, do, eat, and video record while I'm here, or while I'm there, I should say. Coming up here is the back half of Hash House A-Go-Go. Hash House A-Go-Go Las Vegas serves farm fresh food with a funky modern twist. This homegrown Las Vegas favorite features oversized portions that are large enough to satisfy any hungry ranch hand. We'll see about that. Hash House A-Go-Go is a huge hit with locals and tourists alike for its creative menu, oversized portions, and unique presentations. Known for the best breakfast in Vegas, Hash House A-Go-Go also serves lunch and dinner. Yep, that's gonna be on my bucket list. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And if you didn't know, the Plaza is celebrating its 50th anniversary this year. To celebrate, the Plaza is offering their 50 years of fun hotel package, which includes $50 food and beverage credit, up to $50 in free slot play, $75 in bingo match play. Again, they take bingo very seriously here. 50 years of Plaza memorabilia, a late checkout, an early check-in, and free parking. And that, my friends, sounds like a great deal. Coming up here is Pop-Up Pizza, which is a refreshing addition to downtown Las Vegas. Pop-Up embodies the soul of a New York pizzeria with a modern approach. Fresh ingredients, homemade tomato sauce, and a secret dough recipe, which is made daily, make the pizza stand out above the rest. And if you watched the past couple of videos, yes, I am going to do a pizza challenge on my visit coming up shortly. And here we have the Beastie Boys from good old Brooklyn, New York. And a little known fact about Jeff from New York, I love old school rap. Beastie Boys again from Brooklyn, Run DMC from Queens, it's all good. And now we're gonna head upstairs here at the Plaza Hotel and Casino to check out what's going on up there. And I know Oscar's is up there, a really famous and favorite steakhouse among locals and tourists here in Las Vegas. Hold on tight. And this, my friends, is Oscar's Steakhouse, some say the best steakhouse in Las Vegas. Named after former Las Vegas mayor and mob attorney Oscar Goodman, Oscar's is a glamorous and uniquely Las Vegas steakhouse overlooking the lights of Fremont Street. Located inside the plaza's iconic glass dome, Oscar's pays homage to the Vegas of yesteryear and has become a must-visit, only in Las Vegas dining destination thanks to its classic ambiance, memorabilia displays, handcrafted cocktails including the former mayor's signature martini, and a delicious menu of perfectly aged steaks, fresh seafood, and made-from-scratch sides. Here we have the plaza's wedding chapel. And now we're going to go up another flight. Hold on tight. If you make a left as soon as you get off these escalators, you're going to find Las Vegas Jerkies, and I'm assuming they sell a lot of jerky. And that dome out front of the plaza, which is now Oscar's Steakhouse, used to be the plaza's swimming pool, which overlooked Fremont Street back in the 70s. Well, hopefully you grabbed a fine dinner at Oscar's Steakhouse. If not, perhaps maybe some jerky at Las Vegas Jerkies. But now we're heading over to the bingo area of the plaza. Again, they take bingo very seriously here. I mentioned in a couple of past videos that the next time I come to Vegas, which is coming up shortly, I am going to visit a bingo area. And this is probably the one I'm going to come to because they do take it seriously here. I do want to play bingo. Hopefully I'll be able to videotape it. Not sure. Again, I respect, policy in hotels and casinos, but I really want to bring bingo to you guys because I don't think many of you play it, and I certainly don't, and I'd really like to see what it's all about. Also up here is what looks to be the business center and the ballrooms, and from the outside, this place does not look this big, but it is huge up here. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. Don't forget to check out my book, 50 Attractions and Many Tips When Visiting Las Vegas. It's down at the bottom in the description of this video that you're watching. It's only $4.99, instantly downloaded to your computer, tons of pictures and fantastic tips if you plan on visiting Sin City. And here we have the registration area, or front desk if you will. I also wanted to mention that the Plaza Hotel and Casino has their own podcast called On the Corner of Main. I really enjoy podcasts and I listen to them while I'm driving as well as when I'm just about ready to go to bed. On the Corner of Main includes CEO Jonathan Jossel, who's joined by special guests including gaming industry leaders, entertainers, local officials, and downtown partners who share their own exclusive and often entertaining perspective on where Vegas got its start and where it's going now. If you like podcasts, check out On the Corner of Main. And by the way, On the Corner of Main, the podcast which features the Plaza's CEO Jonathan Jossel, is recorded right here at the Plaza in Oscar's Steakhouse. The Plaza's food court includes a coffee bar, fresh Mexican grill, McDonald's, Subway, and Manchu Wok. The Plaza seems to be a great place to visit or even stay. What do you think? Leave a comment below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.